Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and we should get the green Apple keyboard app. So here in the search pool enter green Apple keyboard and tap to install. And just after that wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings near green Apple keyboard. Click once on the switcher and tap to OK. Now just click again OK and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go for example into the app search here to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.